Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the Xiaomi Mijia Digital Bluetooth Thermometer 2. You can get this one on AliExpress for less than $4. So let's see this baby. The small box easily fits in your mailbox, and I didn't have to go to the post office to claim it. Instead, I found it in the mailbox. This device is a bit different from the other sensors I have reviewed so far because it doesn't use Zigbee protocol but BLE, which stands for Bluetooth Low Energy. You can use it as a standalone device since it has LCD display, but in order to integrate it into your smart home, you will need Bluetooth Gateway or the new Xiaomi Multimode Hub. The AliExpress store that I bought it from stated that it is sold without the battery, so the first thing I did is open to insert the standard CR2032 battery, but to my surprise, when I opened it, the battery was there. Once you remove plastic insulator, it will start working immediately. Let's now see how it's added to Mi Home app. If you already have Bluetooth turned on your phone, it will probably just find it in the nearby devices. As all other Xiaomi devices, you can rename it and set the device location. There are all standard options like sharing it with your family members, setting the access password, or setting automations. The procedure is absolutely the same when you have Bluetooth gateway. You just add it to your phone and in some time it will become visible as connected to BLE gateway or gateways. As you can see, it is visible under all BLE gateways. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.